Hello friends, welcome to JAcademy. In this video, I'll tell you how to draw the hash tree. So, given a candidate set of item, you have to draw the hash tree, and the length of each leaf node should not exceed 3, more than 3. So, it should be till 3. Okay, let us check out. So, we are going to use in the hash tree, HP is equal to P mod 3. Okay, so any number that is like, if it is starting with 1, so 1 mod 3 is equal to 1. Okay, 4 mod 3 equal to 1. So 147 will become the left child of the hash tree. Similarly, the number starting with 258 will become the middle child, and 369, okay, whose mod will be equal to 0, will be your right child. So, taking this into the structure, we have to make a tree for the candidate item set 145, 124, 459 and till 689, 367 and 368. So, what are we going to do is that we are going to first, using the first number, we will try to divide this into left child, middle child and the right child. Okay. So let's see the first digit. This is 1. Okay. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 1. So all these are going to be your left child. Then this number is starting with 2, 5. So this is going to be your middle child. And from this side it is 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 3. So these are going to be your right child. Okay. So how are you going to do it? Initially, you have to first make three branches. Okay. And this is your left, right, right and middle. Okay. Take one number at a time. Now, so among this, again you need to think of something. Like for example, we have so many left child. Now let's see the second digit. Your second digit is going to tell you whether all the candidate item set can be hashed or can be generated in the hash tree in the same left node, or again the left branch, or the left branch has to be again divided into 3 parts. Okay. So here it is 1. So this is 4. 4 means left child. Okay. No issues in that. Then you have 2. 2 means you have a middle child. So from the left branch, again this is divided into 3 parts. So this is already 1. So here you have 147. Again you write here 258 and here it is 369. Similarly, here also you can write, this is left child, so it is 147, this is 258 and this is 369. So now 145, so 1, 4, so 1 is already here, then 4 is coming here, so 145 will come here. Then we have the next number as 124. So 1 is coming here, 2 is coming in the middle. So it is 124. Okay. Then 457. So 4 is coming here. Then 5 is coming in the middle. So it is 457. Next 125. 1 is coming here and 2 is coming here. So it is 125. 458. 4 is coming here, but 5 is again coming here, right? So we cannot accommodate more than 3 leaf, right? So what you can do, you have to again divide this part into 3 branches again. Okay. So what we are going to do is that we are going to write this number 124, okay, 457, then 125, 458 and 159, and we divide this into 3 parts again, and each part will be again 147, 258, 369. So let's see again 124, where it will be placed in the hash tree. 1, this is 2, then 4 is coming here. So this is 124, then 457, 4, 5, 7 is here, so it is coming here, 457, then 125, 1, 2 in the middle, and then 5 is again in the middle. So this is 125, then you have 458. So this is 4, this is 5, where is 8? That is in the middle. So this is 458. Then where are you going to place 159? So this is 1, this is 5, and this is 9. So here you write 159. Okay? Since we are done with these numbers, we are going to remove this. So till here it is done. Now 136. So 1, but 3 is coming here. So this is 136. Okay? So all the left child are done. So now you have to come to the middle branch. Okay? In the middle branch you have got what? 234 and 567. So that's all. So now we'll come to the right child. So it is again starting with 3. Okay? So we know that all these are going to be your part of your right branch. Then see, inspect the next number. This is 4. 4 means left child, left branch. That means this branch is again going to be divided again into 3 parts. Okay? So here we are going to write 147 because it is your left branch. Then the middle is 258 and the right side is 369. So let's come to the first number. It is 345. So it is 3, 4. We write 5 here. Then 356, 3. Okay, where is 5? This is the 5. 356. Then 357, 3, 5 is coming here. Then you have 689, 6, 8 is again coming in the middle. 367, 3, 6 is coming here. Okay, 367, 368. So 3, we are coming here, 6 is coming here. So 368. Okay. So here we come to the end of all the candidate item set. And we have drawn the hash tree. So in the next video I will tell you how the item set are hashed again with this tree of the hash tree. Bye bye.